What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see from the title, your girl done moved. So let's go ahead and do this quick, what do you call this, guys? Oh yeah, an empty house tour. Okay, so this was the living room, and it's a lot bigger than my previous living room. So I'm just so excited, and you see the movers are moving everything in. So the living room has a hallway, and then going down the hallway is this little half bath. I plan on painting all of this. Excuse my son in the background. So once you leave the half bath, you'll see a nice under the stairway storage. I got a lot of plans for this, because you know your girl have a lot of decoration boxes, so I'm excited about having the space to store all of my items. And then this is the dining room. It is spacious enough, and I plan to paint in here. Y'all gotta help me decide what colors I should paint, and I'm super excited that now we have a fenced in backyard. And back there is grass, as well as like a little slab if we wanted to put a barbecue grill or a shed, or put some nice seating back here. We have that option. This door was so hard to get open, you guys. It was crazy. Maybe I may end up having to show y'all that part a little later. Okay, I finally got it open. And so yeah, this is the yard. As you guys can see, this part is framed off, and I'm excited to go ahead and paint some flowers and just, you know, spruce this backyard up for the summer so my boys and I can get our barbecue on. So coming back in, like I said, this is the dining room, and then off of the dining room is the kitchen. And on the other end of this galley kitchen is a laundry room. So you guys know we're going to do a laundry room organization, kitchen organization, pantry. We're just going to be organizing and decorating this home from top to bottom. I love that it has this shelf so I can put all of my laundry accessories. So moving back through the kitchen, there's a little opening where you could put like a little bistro table if you like, but y'all know I have plans for every single space. So the movers are just going ahead and unloading as I am filming this. So as you go along, this little staircase wall right here, I planned on, hey Booski and Kaden, I planned on painting, but I haven't quite decided what color I am going to paint. So let's go ahead and head upstairs. The stairs are nice and wide. Y'all remember the staircase in Baltimore? I actually fell down those steps when I was 6 months pregnant. So it's just the little things that I'm super excited about. And this room will be the office. So we're gonna do some his and hers office stuff in here coming up pretty soon. I was just trying to step back so you guys could see how big the room is. And they have the Christmas tree. I don't know why he was trying to bring that up here. But so this is a 3-bedroom. And then when you turn the corner, this will be the boys' bedroom. It is not wide, but it's actually pretty long. So you guys got to help me decide like how we're going to set all of this up. And once you come out, there's a nice size closet in there as well. And there's nothing behind this door. I feel like it's kind of wasted space, but it's all good. I'll figure out something. And the good thing about this townhome is that right here, there's a linen closet, you guys. I have not had a linen closet in forever. So I'm really excited to upgrade that space. And then Booski's in here eating. So here is the, what is this called? Not a master bath, but like the main level bathroom or whatever. So we're going to get in here and do some painting. I want to upgrade the faucet. I want to take the medicine cabinet down, but for now it will do. And here is the master bedroom, guys. It is so spacious and roomy. One of the next couple videos will be doing, you know, master bedroom decorating, so you guys can see the layout for this room. I love all the carpet lines, even though I am going to go ahead and steam clean all of the carpets. This particular closet, even though it has 2 doors, it's still one closet. See how it goes from one end to the next? So that pretty much is upstairs. Thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Y'all be blessed.